Today is day 2 of packing apples. We did this lesson yesterday. You had to figure it out, and today we're going to go over and revisit what you have done and revise it. Um, Before we do that, it is important to remember what the guidelines for discussion are. So I'm going to go over those with you right now. Um, Number one is it's okay to make mistakes because we learn from our mistakes. So if you get it wrong or you made a mistake yesterday and you have to fix it, it's okay. Just learn from it. It is okay to share your ideas and strategies respectfully. It is okay to agree and disagree politely with your classmates. It is okay to change your mind about how to solve a problem. So maybe you thought you should do it this way, and then you're like, oh, I think I'll do it this way, and I'm changing my mind. That's okay. It is okay to feel confused. Sometimes when we look at a problem, we feel confused. It's okay to be confused. It's okay to ask questions of your teacher or your classmates. And it's okay to listen closely to others' ideas, and it's very okay to be patient. Be patient with yourself and be patient with others. Just remember these guidelines as we continue our lesson for today.